What is up, people? Yeah, I am wearing mask and shades because it is too shiny and it is too damn loud cars and everything. Lineup is too lit. This is Pratik. Hello to Pratik and thank you for everything. This is his whip, full whip. And then this is the lineup. Everyone is revving too hard. And yes, we are going to Ritz-Carlton after some time. So I will hit you up in a bit. So basically full lineup is here. Let me show you. Mustangs are too many. And this is Rishi, by the way.
Hi bro.
So basically, oh bhai, Pratik is never too easy on accelerator. Never. And this is Sarthak bhai. Again करके दिखाया भाई अपन another lineup. That AMG is so good.
Oh, power slides, bro.
We are not giving any chance to rev hard. Pratik is revving too hard, man. The day is too lit, man. The day is too lit. Chasing AMG.
Chasing AMG in a BMW.
This is an M-Tune, guys. This is an M-Tune. Oh my god. This is too fast.
We are actually on a Kaza supercar traffic jam.
So, yeah.
What's the guy knowledge?
No. Directly we are going into main road.
We probably have just gone.
Mustang is right there.
Mustang right there behind.
Let's see. Check. Oh, yeah. 75 in no seconds. 80, 80, 95, 99 in no seconds.
Once we get a highway, we'll go 100%.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, he is waiting here. Mazen is waiting here.
What happened is waiting.
Amazing guys. Right now we are behind Maserati Genius. That notes are something special. That bass. Many cars are there. Many cars. Look, there are cars behind and everything. Aston Martin Vantage just behind us.
Mr. Can you keep it right there? Subscribe to my channel. Let's send
So many Mustangs, guys. That's too fucking loud, man. That's too fucking loud. The roar is too hard. Oh, that's so cute. That's you. Fuck.
Bro, this is actually better than the T97 meter. Yeah.
This is too huge. This is too huge. Public reactions and everything is too huge. Oh man. That revving engines, bro. That revving engines are too something. Let's go.
Let's go.
So we are at Prawn Hub right now. Wow! You can see Prawn Hub. Too amazing. Believe me guys, if you were here, you would go crazy because this ride is too lit. We are in a BMW M5 and that is also M-Tune and not the Chhabri Nipawala tune. That is total company tune. So that is too amazing. Top is just something. Branding कमी नहीं करने देगा.
Subscribe to SM Vlogs, guys.
Branding कमी नहीं करने का काम.
Rit Vlog, Gun King Vlogs coming on my channel. Subscribe.
Yes.
Bro.
Yes. I have my content is more lit than his. Aris, man, Aris. Come on. We are beating Mustangs.
Check that out.
Let's go! Too loud, guys, too loud. Guys, this is something amazing. R8. No, R8, it's a Mustang.
It's a Mustang.
So many red cars now, bro. So many red cars. It is real hard to know that what car is what. That's why I'm just messed up. rev shots, man. Rev shots. Amazing. Just something amazing.
Mustang is a wannabe sports car.
I don't know, bro. Bye. Oh, slow it down. Behind the AMG. Wait. You're turning off the traction?
No, let it be on.
Because he is doing some real good wheel spins.
पण टायर बदलायचा वेळ आलेलाच आहे.
So, I guess traction is off.
Mazen's AMG color is really good.
Yeah.
Of the AMG.
Pune, if you are really here, the scenes are too lit. Let me show you guys, Pratik, how he is driving. Okay, so I will be filming, but I am trying really hard. He's driving too fast. The torque is really high. That's why I can't keep up with him. But Pratik, you are driving really cool. Oh, and just a bit cornering.
And that too is not high. He's like. So you haven't experienced the best shit which happens.
I bet
Open
I
highway
would.
and a high person.
Really, this scene is something. You can see a Mustang, and many cars. There is RS and AMG and a Mustang. Too high, guys, too high. That rev. Things are too late. Irfan and the F-Type. Oh my god, the Boxster again. The car. So we are gonna beat him.
Oh god! Look at the speed! Woo! I will not a part of the car.
Anything.
Yo,
Yo, bro.
I'm having fun, guys.
Everybody's having fun.
Pune is the new Dubai.
Oh, scenes are too late, man. Scenes are too late.
I can only smell burnt rubber.
Yeah,
I can only smell burnt rubber.
even me.
That also because of Mazin. He is always just. Oh, fuck, guys! Pratik is 133 in no seconds. And the chassis is so poised that you can't even feel a bit jerk when you're taking turns.
Lights factoring in the house.
Bro, but the lineup is too cool.
Yeah, bro. We truly believe that. Dubai light.
This is Dubai, bro. In no time it could be.
bro. Dubai ultra light. Dubai
Mini Dubai in Pune today. Oh, we have to take some.
Yeah, bro.
They Bugatti. They drive Bugattis. We don't have even one Bugatti in India.
Sorry, everybody's converting. Okay.
Everybody like.
No, I guess they will be converting from behind.
Sumo पण convert.
Torque meter and power
Highest
meter.
torque this can produce is 640 Newton meters,
Fuck. That is gonna be
which
cool.
is much more than that Gallardo also, by the way.
140 meters of top.
Newton.
M5.
So you have to turn off the AC.
Because Isaac Newton.
So let's see torque meter as it will bounce. High, then high.
अरे भाई हा पोलीस वाला नाही तो कसं पकडणार नाही
Okay, there is a G-Wagon there for G-Wagon force. So guys, we are at Ritz-Carlton. We have to take a view from here and everybody Everybody is flying. Just, I'm not just saying it's revving, it's flying. So this U-turn, that is gonna be too hard. So this is something cool. We are here at Rex. This is something cool. So guys, we are at Ritz-Carlton right now, and there is a Poonawala's limo right here. The day is too late, man. Poonawala. And that's an old vintage one, which is extended. That's a limo. And that's the lineup right now. This is the lineup. This is a Mustang. I will show you. This is a Mustang. Boxster. Pratik. There's a Gallardo R8. There's a RS5 also here. There's a SL AMG. There's a Poonawala Rolls Royce. So this is two special S63 AMG RS5. Too many cars here. Too many cars. Vantage R8 is over there. This is F-Type and this is Ankit. How are you?
I'm fine, bro.
So there's a so guys, this is Ankit. Fuck. This is Anuj.
Hi guys.
This is Anuj. Last time I messed up with Ankit, I was like, "Arey, he is Anuj." While we were driving. So Anuj didn't came here, na? Let me show you the lineup right now. This is the Aston Martin Vantage. This is the Maserati GTS, the R8, and the very own Beamer. So this is the Beamer.